opening Ryan's World egg.
Yay! I'm Layla and I'm going to be opening Mini LOL Surprise Winter Family Series 2. I forgot more than 8 surprises.
I forgot mine Series 4 and it says all new. So 4, 5, 6, 7.
7 surprises. Hey Will, should we open our eggs separately or together? Let's do it! Run! Yes, you got it! 3, 2, 1, go!
Oh, I just do it.
Whoa!
The whole
Can you know surprise winter room?
I got such a blue egg, guys. Look at my blue egg.
Well, can we open it now?
Oh, I already opened my whole entire thing and mine was bigger than yours. How are you still opening it?
It's crazy.
Okay, should I open mine now? There's nothing in it.
Okay. All right. This is my first prize.
Let's go. Oh my gosh, this is my first ever. Yo! I got mystery pudding. Alright, now this is my first surprise. It has 3 question marks on it. Let's do it. This thing is so hard to open. So I need the camera woman to get here. Camera woman, come here for a second, please.
William, what would make that easier to open?
Mom, I need help. I need help with scissors. I'm going to open my surprises, guys.
Kazam. Oh, man, oh. Yeah, let's go. I got what it just said I got. A micro car thing. And I'm going to put a micro finger in here. This is going to be so awesome. Plus, I got putty. I'm going to save that for later. So here it is. It's called a micro car. It has Ryan on here. Micro means small, so that's why it's like this small. Ding, 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 ding. Pop a wheelie! Man! What? Inside!
What is it? Oh, it's a little cute mini screw. It's so cute.
Aww.
I just got another finger.
I think I got Snowlicious, Snow Angel, and Snow Bunny.
It's football, Ryan. See, get it? Because he's wearing his football helmet. Get it?
Yes!
This guy's gonna start playing some football.
Zing! There it is. Here is Snowlicious.
Guys!
So cute, guys. I even got a beanie.
Guys, this football guy can actually fit in the car. Look, it can fit in the car.
Look at this. I got them to stand.
Yeah, this thing is so cool. Whoa! What is this? Is this a skydiver, Ryan? Yeah, true. Skydiver Ryan. Skydiver Ryan. Woo, astronaut Ryan. Oh, it works, yay! That was all 7 prizes. Oh my gosh.
This is Snow Angel. This is Snowlicious. Snow Bunny. It's so cute. It's a bunny. This is so cute.
Wait, I still have some surprise in here. I found it. Let's go. I got astronaut guts. It's so cool. Look at the sky. This is so cool. It's astronaut guts. Dee, 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 dee. I'm astronaut guts. My favorite part of the Ryan's egg is the pudding I have right here. Oh yeah, this feels So good.
This is Winter Wonderland, Winter Wonderland.
Like and subscribe for more fun content.
Yeah, that's what you should do.
Yeah, you should do that. Our next goal is 100 subscribers.
You mean this?
100? Get it?
This is so cool.
Pudding face.
Ah!
I have a pudding nose.
Wait, can I play? Thanks for watching our video. Bye.
That was long. Can we do a little show for you before you go? Skydiver Ryan, why are you here? Right there. Good look, it's a sticker. See, it's a sticker. Whoa.
Where's the putty?
Come get a slime monster.
Minions, serve again.
It's not fair. I can't jump. Yes, you can. Stop.
Getting away from me.
Hey, you can't jump down. You have to climb down.
You are so unfair.
Let me get you at least once, or I will split into pieces and be here forever. Here comes the bus. Good old beach bag. You know that? Now you can attack the bus driver. Oh, now the car turned bad and became evil. Get him! Infect him to be one of us. Parachute Brian! Astronaut Gus, help me! Don't worry, Brian. I know how to protect people from enemies. Even though, honey. Hiya! 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 It has a hole in it. How dare you? Car infect. Okay. Ah! He's good now. Take Gus home. Are you sure?
Well, we can fight crimes.
We're not crimes. The slime is. He tried to control you. Yeah, he said that putty thing. That's our crime.
Nobody come here. Snow Angel. Don't be too rough with Snow Bunny. Crystal Bunny, Crystal Queen, and Crystal Star would come here. Delicious, we need your help. He's in here. Okay, I see. I am a power. Thanks for letting me rest. I've been controlling all my minions. Well, you haven't seen me in a while. Yes, I have. Lies. Yes, I have. Okay, I'll try and find a way. Big Joe. Oh my. He seems to be getting in trouble. Snow Angel, be aware of some dangerous putty. Dangerous putty? Where? I know, be aware of it. That's what I said.
Hey, remember me? My name's Gus.
Oh, Gus. I But be the trouble.
There's a giant slime attacking us, and it's trying to drain our water in our body.
Oh no! We need water more. And oxygen.
Look, there's a hole in it. Look.
Yes!
Look.
Oh jeez.
See? Now there's no water. Okay, guys, on the camera, look. This is actually the real enemy. And then I make a hole in it, and then I'm getting on you. Yes, I'm getting you. Oh, I'm getting water. Yeah. I got all I need. Thank you.
But